This lady was lost.
Where am I? I don't know where I am.
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Yep.
What is it?
It's me.
What are you looking for?
Uh,
What are you looking for?
huh?
What are you looking for?
My friend had someone come up here.
I think you got the wrong apartment.
Really?
Who's your friend?
Where am I? I don't know where I am. Wow.
You are currently being recorded.
Alright, thank you.
UPS.
Fake UPS driver.
Hi.
Hi, sorry.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I'm looking for a Jocelyn.
Jocelyn? Yeah, she's my daughter.
Oh, there appears to be something here that I need a signature for.
Okay. Jocelyn! Did you order something? You gotta come sign for it. It's a high school thing. Senior. Yeah, wait. No, there's somebody here. No.
I bet he wasn't expecting this today. Would you guys open the door?
Out everything. I just want to make a phone call. Somebody to come pick me up, please. I help, just help me. I just need to make a phone call to my sister, please. Like, my baby dad just beat me up. I'm out everything. I just want to make a phone call. Somebody to come pick me up, please.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
My cause I got frostbite already in my fingers. I just want somebody to. I just need to call my sister, please. Everything's hurt. I can't even move.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Thank God for Ring cameras.
I'm just trying to go home. Hello? Hello? Please take me home. Take me home.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I'm just trying to go home.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I want to go home.
Can I help you? Hello?
Hey, I
They
don't have a
thought their
laptop.
laptop
I'm
was
gonna
in
go
his
ahead and call
home.
the police right now then. Hello?
Hi. Yes, my laptop is here. Can I please retrieve that?
Your laptop is here?
Yeah.
I don't even know you.
Yeah, I know. Well, I just did a find my phone thing, and it's apparently here at this residence.
I have no idea how it would be here. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry?
I don't know how it would be here. I don't even know you.
Okay. No, I know that. That's what people do who steal. But if you want me to...
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a laptop. I'm going to go ahead and call the police right now then.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Okay. Thanks. She has it. You don't like this. Yeah, you don't have to have this.
She might be a little intoxicated.
You don't live here.
Yes, I do.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Are you know like innocent people?
Hey,
What?
what are you doing?
Who's you?
What are you doing?
Get to the building.
You don't live here.
Yes, I do.
You don't live here. I'm calling the police.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought it was the next door. I'm sorry. They told me to knock on the window. They come get me. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that.
He was told to do this by the customer's friend. Some people are so bold.
No, not this. They got a ring camera. They got a doorbell camera right.
Hello? Get away from our house. We're calling the cops. We are calling the cops right now.
These items were left for a charity truck pickup.
Excuse me.
Right. Yes.
Hi, are you guys with the
Yes, ma'am.
charity? Everything. Are you guys with the charity?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where's your truck?
Right here at the end of the street.
Why is it at the end of the street? Please get off. Please get off my porch. Please get off my porch and put everything that you took back.
Yes, ma'am.
And put everything that you took back. Put that suitcase back.
Yes, ma'am.
What if this was your neighbor?
Hello? Excuse me.
Oops. Some people are just lazy. Stay safe out there. He tried to steal the e-bike. A whole garbage bag full of stolen items. Just watch this. They should have planned their escape better.